Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world before they open every day, so you can hopefully capitalize from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Well, it's Thursday, September the 6th. We're still in the short week. Nonetheless, we got 5 great press releases for you. We've got deals, we've got quarterly results, we've got awards, we've got a whole gamut, so let's get straight to it. First up, Versatile Systems trades on the TSX Venture under the stock symbol VV, and as well for our friends in London on the AIM under VVS. They put out their fourth quarter and full year numbers, and they had an outstanding fourth quarter with record numbers for revenue, gross profits, EBITDA, and cash flow. Revenue was $18.1 million, up about 19%. Cash flow, $1.1 million, up 89%. We like to see cash flow numbers. And EBITDA, $1.2 million, up just under 60%. We don't have a net income number for you, so you're going to have to go do a little more due diligence. What we liked about this, strong repeat business from Tier 1 big household name companies such as Comcast, Motorola, and Tyco. And as well, during the quarter, the company actually was ranked by the TSX Venture as the #1 TSX Venture 50 company in their annual ranking. Very well done there. They're trading at 37 cents. They're off their highs of $1.15, but with those kind of numbers, worth a look. Next up, BMS Technologies trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol GPS. Full disclosure here, BSM is a client of AGORACOM. Nonetheless, with news like this, we got to report it. They announced 3 different deals totaling over $700,000. These are with customers across North America, but because they provide GPS-based security solutions, they can't divulge the names of these companies, so they are anonymous. But we do know their industries. One comes from the oil and gas, one comes from the industrial sector, and one comes from the transportation sector, which goes a long way to tell you why BSM has been enjoying some great sales successes of late. They're able to take their GPS-based AVSL solutions and sell them across the board to different industries. They start out with law enforcement. Over 200 law enforcement agencies actually use their GPS systems for bait car solutions, and now they've expanded to the to fleet management and armored car industries. They're trading at 15 cents. Take a close look at them. Next up, Sienna Technologies trades on the OTC under the stock symbol SIEN. The company has announced that since some restructuring was done in August, they've brought in over $4 million in signed contracts. That's pretty good considering you're talking about less than a month. The company is now focusing on its core competencies of designing and building commercial entertainment systems for the resort and gaming industry, as well as for the high-end luxury condo market. What we also like about this, I'm going to quote Anthony DeLise, who's Siena's interim CEO. He talked about they're looking at generating $4 million in revenues for the last half of 2007 and expecting to achieve profitability by Q1 2008. So whatever they're doing on the restructuring basis is obviously working. They're trading at 3 cents, a low price company, but still worth taking a look at. Next up, PhotoChannel Network trades on the OTC under the stock symbol PNWIF and also trades on the TSX Venture under the stock symbol PN. No numbers to announce with this deal, but what they did announce was that Indigo Books and Music has launched their online Photoshop, online photo store solution for their customers using PhotoChannel Network's products and services. No numbers attached to that, but Indigo is the largest book retailer in Canada, so anytime you see a small cap company do a deal with a major company like this, you've got to take a closer look. They're trading at $2.93. They're also off their highs of $5.70-ish earlier this year. Finally, eGain Communications trades under the stock symbol EGAN on the OTC BB. Got some great distinction from the industry today. They're ranked as the #1 customer service software and runner-up in CRM systems in the annual survey conducted by Internet Retailer Magazine, which takes a survey of the top 500 U.S. web-based retailers. So we like to see awards because it means industry recognition, and industry recognition means the company obviously is doing some great things. They're trading at about $1, so worth taking a look at. That's a wrap for the day. We'll probably have a bit of a slow news day tomorrow because it is a short week after Labor Day weekend. Tomorrow is a Friday. Nonetheless, tune in, and as always, make your way over the AGORACOM marketplace. We've got over 65 companies now divided up by industry and exchange, so you can find the companies that best suit your portfolio needs. Until then, have a great day. Talk to you soon.